Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy Victoria Day to everyone. Today I will be cooking my Victoria Day dinner. Now I'll season the garlic lemon salmon. I have salt, chili powder, fish seasoning, and black pepper in here, garlic and onion, lemon juice, and olive oil. Now I'll mix this. And I'll leave it for 1 hour. Then I'll air fry the salmon. Now I'll put the turkey burger in the air fryer to cook. My water is boiling. I'm gonna add the macaroni for the macaroni salad. Now I'll season the soya garlic wings, chicken broth mix, salt, black pepper, garlic, tabasco sauce, and garlic soy sauce. And I'm gonna season this and leave it for 1 hour. Now I'll season the chicken for the fried rice. I have cornstarch, black pepper, and chicken broth mix, Chinese cooking wine, and I'll leave this aside until I'm ready to fry the rice. So one side is finished cooking. We're going to flip them now. And the macaroni is finished cooking. The water is boiling. I'm gonna add the potatoes to boil for the potato salad. And the burger is finished cooking. And the potatoes are finished boiling. Now I'll fry the black eye. The first thing I'm going to do is to fry the wiri peppers and the onion. I soak the black eye overnight and pressure it for 20 minutes. Salt and black pepper. And chief all-purpose seasoning. This is finished. Now I'll add the green onion. And it's finished. The oil is hot. I'm going to fry the chicken for the fried rice. I cooked the rice for 20 minutes in the rice cooker. Now add the black pepper, brown sugar, chief fried rice seasoning, and the chicken is finished frying for the fried rice. Now add the oyster sauce and soy sauce. Now I'll add Chinese cooking wine. And 5 spice powder. Now add salt. The first part of the fried rice is finished. And the salmon is finished cooking. Now I will air fry the soy sauce garlic wings. Now I'll fry the eggs for the fried rice. And I'll add back the fried rice. Now I'll add the chicken, carrots, bell peppers, and the chicken is finished. Now I'll add the green peas. The last thing I'm going to do is to add the onion. And the fried rice is finished cooking. rice with some green onion. Some of you have asked me to show you my spices I use. This is the all-purpose seasoning I use. Fried rice seasoning and Chinese cooking wine. Here is my Victoria Day dinner. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.